Hey y'all, good evening ladies and gentlemen. Dominoes Seven here. Watching Mortal Kombat, the movie. That look like Scorpion or Sub-Zero. Something like that. Well, yeah. Well, I was only doing Facebook Live videos. I thought I couldn't upload say do no YouTube Live. Well, I'm talking to you viewers on YouTube and Facebook, okay? So this live stream is will be previously recorded, be on three of my channels: Domino 866, the Domino 7 channel, and the Domino 7 Show channel. Okay, so it's gonna be on all three of my channels. Okay, when I finish with this Facebook Live, you know. Mm-hmm. Yep. I sure love doing my show. Mm-hmm. So I'm not gonna do videos just on Facebook. Everybody watch Facebook, but everybody watch YouTube. People nowadays put the videos on YouTube, and there's also YouTube on television sets. Yep, on televisions. Mm-hmm. So if you if you watch my YouTube videos and stuff like that, then then you should know what I'm all about. Okay, so so anyway, y'all, as I was saying, ladies and gentlemen, I'm looking over somewhere. Never mind what's going on. Okay, so with this area right here that I'm gonna be gone from next year or year after next and stuff like that. I shouldn't tell too many people much stuff. But whatever is up is up. hmm By me doing live streaming and stuff like that, and I'm gonna probably live stream my video gaming. You know, I need to get a component. So I could do my gameplays with my PlayStation 2, GameCube, and and, and other stuff. Okay, so so yeah. Okay. So, what's so funny? I don't know what's so funny. you know. So, I needed me a doggone a Nintendo Wii, the original Wii. Y'all know them Nintendo Wii's, them white Nintendo Wii's that play GameCube games. I really wanted one like that. I wish I had that. So, that costs money. Yeah, it does cost money. hmm If I do buy a house with a flat and stuff like that, then I can add upstairs and stuff like that. All that costs money. You know what I'm saying? hmm Yeah. So, like I say, all that costs money. That really costs money. I mean, to add some plumbing and stuff like that, master bedroom, a big room and stuff like that. Yes, indeed, all that costs money. That definitely costs money. You know. hmm So a lot of help I have, me being on disability and stuff like that. So don't make much of nothing and stuff like that. And being new to the YouTube gaming and stuff like that. You know. So y'all know what Domino 7 is struggling to do. At least I got my family by my side. Okay. So so like I said, I love my family. Okay. While me and Brock is okay and stuff like that, in a good situation. Okay. So. Oh Lord. hmm So so by me just being here and stuff like that, and then get ready to be a homeowner, and so somebody telling me stay my behind here and stuff. Well, you can't tell Domino what to do. You heard me? Oh shoot, whatever that was. I don't know if y'all viewers heard that. All right, somebody playing Goro. Look at this movie, a Mortal Kombat movie. Y'all see that? Oh, somebody playing Carl. Forearm Carl. Okay. Oh, let me see. Kristen is here. I wonder if she want to be on camera. Let me see. I'm about to say Kristen won't want to be on camera. If not, she'll just deny. I don't even think she gonna deny.
Hello. Oh, I can't hear you. Why can't I hear him? Can you hear me? Give me a thumbs up if you can hear me. Oh, see, I can't hear you. Let me see. Let me try to mess with this. Uh, I don't know what to do. I don't know how to fix it. Uh, why? Why can't I hear? I know. I see you give it. I can see you. I see you giving me thumbs up, but I can't hear anything. I could hear you before. I don't know what's wrong with it. Ooh. Uh, are you saying you're gonna call me? All I can see is your mouth moving and your hand moving, but I can't hear you. Are you going to call me? Yes or no? You're going to call me?